one of my favorite parts about our apartment is our walk-in closet. I've never had a walk-in closet before, so I really felt like this was a major glow up. I do have some plans for changing up the walk-in closet. It's just kind of like, I don't know, kind of dark, kind of boring, nothing really going on. But before I go ahead and do some redecorating, I wanted to first go ahead and declutter my clothes. When we were moving to Kenya a year ago, I was 4 months pregnant, and so I don't know, I feel like the clothes that I came with, like I don't really like them. I end up wearing a lot of the same clothes, and there are a lot of clothes in my closet that I don't really wear that often, and to be quite frank, I don't really like. So I figured that I would use this weekend to declutter my closet, to streamline my wardrobe, so that when I redo the closet, it will only be filled with clothes that I absolutely love, that I absolutely want to wear, both indoors, since we spend a lot of time indoors now, but also whenever we can go outside again. So that is what I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today. I'm gonna be decluttering my closet. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. If this is your first time here, or your second time, or your 15th time, but for some reason you are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I think it's time for you to see what I'm working with. So come on in. So the closet is this way on the way to the bathroom. It is really big actually. And there's also a vanity area that is quite messy right now. But here's where the majority of my clothes go. Ta-da! It's just a lot of clothes that I don't wear. Also, this is like really embarrassing, but if you look down, I have these two. I know, right? I didn't clean this on purpose because I wanted to like be honest and be true, but I have these two baskets. One of them is for like underwear, the other one is for sleepwear, and then these 4 drawers are supposed to be for workout clothes and socks and whatnot. It's just not really working. Like this space is not working. And then up here, this is fabric we got for our wedding, and just literally have not been able to sew it and go anywhere because life is canceled. Now, in addition to cleaning out the closet, I'm actually moving my clothes from there to this side. Okay, so how we set up the closet is like this side was Jonathan's stuff and this side was my stuff. But I like the organization of this better, and he clearly is not using these shelves properly, so I'm gonna be taking over this closet. And then this closet has a lot of wider drawers, which I think would be better for me than the shorter, more narrow ones. So there's a lot of work to do. Let's go ahead and get started. I started off by bringing out everything that was on a hanger, and I have 3 piles. I have dresses, I have tops and bottoms, and then I have the blazers and outerwear. So for now, I'm just gonna put the things aside that I know I don't want, and then I have to figure out like whether I want to sell them or donate them. I don't know all that yet, but for now, I'm just gonna be sorting first. This is a guest pile. I love this kimono. I wear it all the time. It's from ASOS, but it's ASOS made in Kenya. Going in the yes pile. Then, what is this dress? Oh, you know, someone actually gave me this dress while I was pregnant. It's from Zara, so it's like not bad quality. It's actually, I don't know, but it's not really soft. And it's a large, and I think I wear a medium. I don't know, this is an out. I feel like if you have to like ask yourself a ton of questions about it, it's a no. I'm gonna be using 2 different criteria to sort. One, does it give me joy? That's the Marie Kondo method. And secondly, is more practical. Like either have I worn it in the past year, or do I see myself wearing it in the next 6 months? So those are the methods that I'm gonna be using to decide all these things. I have not worn this and do not see myself wearing this. I have worn this in the past year, but do I see myself wearing it again? I don't know, it's a very like preppy style. I'm gonna keep it for now. Maybe I'll do 2 rounds. I'm gonna keep it for now. Oh, I did wear this in the past year because it was breastfeeding friendly, but I just didn't like the color. Let me stay true to myself. And you know what? Same thing with this. Let me stay true to myself. I don't really wear navy blue, so let's not waste space. All right, this is a nice black sheath dress. I've had this dress for a long time. This is also Zara. This is like a really good professional dress, so I'm gonna keep that. This is Jonathan's shirt that I thought I was gonna wear as a dress one day. So this actually just belongs elsewhere. I'm gonna put it in the keep pile, but it needs to be put elsewhere. I've never worn this. This is by Ofure. Because I think when they sent this to me, I was too big. I was pregnant, but the colors don't really speak to me, so that's that. This is by Grass Fields. I love this. I have the same exact dress in yellow. I love it again. I don't wear that much Ankara, but the Ankara I have, I really like. This is a t-shirt dress that I loved to wear while I was pregnant. It's not maternity though. It's just like a good house dress. Keep that. I like this. Oh, every time I wear this, I get annoyed with the shoulders because it's like an off the shoulder thing. So leaving that one. Oh, this dress is so cute. Do I see myself wearing it in the next 6 months? I think so. Plus it can unbutton, so it's breastfeeding friendly. Love this dress, so comfortable. Also breastfeeding friendly, just, you know, boob comes out. Ooh, we have a two in one here. Okay, this dress I actually like. I have worn it in the past year. I did wear it while I was pregnant, but I feel like every time I wore it, I felt like it was a bit short. But it's Tracy Reese, so it's a black designer. This is harder than I thought. I'm gonna keep it for now. Love this dress by Shop New Level. This is like a sweater dress. We don't need this. That is no longer my portion. Love this Tongoro Studio dress, although I feel like it's like a once a year dress, but I still love it. I do like this slip dress, although I don't really feel great in my body when I wear it. However, I am working on my body and feeling better in my body, so I'm gonna keep that. Wow, this is so sad. This is from Amazon, The Drop. It's Patricia Bright's collection. Something about it just doesn't sit with me. So, wow, done with the dresses. Off to do let me do the pants next. Just got these shorts from Series Studio. I haven't even worn them yet, but they're just high-waisted and they go to your knee. They're just like a good, solid short. I feel like this would look really good with like a white blazer, which I also have. So if y'all want to invite me somewhere, like I have outfits. I have outfits to wear. I actually like all these pants. All right, moving on to the tops. This is also Series Studio. Also keep this. Oh man, I bought this from the chemist and it's so nice. It's black owned, but I can't fit it. I might be able to fit it after my 75 card though. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm clearly like not doing this well. All right, we love a good sheer. So I guess that was mostly my dresses that I had to. Actually, I don't love this shirt. I kept telling myself that everyone needs like a classic white button down. But do I wear this? Do I see myself wearing this in the next year? No, let's let it go. Let's let it go. Now I've got blazers. I love all my blazers, so those are all gonna stick. And denim jackets. Do I need 2 denim jackets? This one is like more sleek and this one is a little bit more relaxed. I do need 2. Oh, we got 2 cardigans in here. I love this cardigan, it's so comfortable. Okay, so I feel like I'm keeping a lot of things, but I think it'll help once I hang them up and like color coordinate them, because then I'll be able to see like, okay, actually you have 6 white button downs. Do you need 6 white button downs? No. So let me just do an initial sort and then I have a feeling I'm gonna do another sort again later. My Imad Adesu pieces, love. Is it time to give up on this leopard blazer? No, I feel sassy when I wear it, so keep. Now this blazer, I think when I wear it sometimes, it's like tight on my shoulders, so I might give up on this. No, it looks good. I just love a blazer. It just looks so good. Okay, so we have sorted out our hanging clothes and now we're gonna hang them up and see what happens. out this section of Jonathan's closet and remove the doors. It looks so much brighter. Oh, can't believe it. I'm so excited. So I'm now gonna start bringing in my clothes and hanging them up here. I realized it's actually just not enough space to hang stuff, so I'm going to be hanging my blazers and jackets on the other side. Right here, this is where currently my wedding dress and I know like a leather jacket is. I'm gonna be hanging the outerwear and blazers over here, but then the shirts are gonna go on the main side. So now it's time to fill up these sections. So I think I know I wanna do jeans here. T-shirts, jeans, sweaters. I'm gonna play around and see what happens. Now I'm just gonna fill out the rest with more clothes. Or, I'm not trying to decide whether I wanna just have tops hanging and then fold. I think I might fold all my pants actually. So, change of plans. This is why it's good to see things because then you can decide what the game plan is. I'm just gonna fold all these pants into thirds. I pretty much only have like five tops. That's not good. That's not good. I'm moving on to the drawers, and I have these drawer organizers that are actually from our kitchen, but they don't need to be in the kitchen anymore, so I'm gonna use them here. So I'm gonna split this into thirds, one for underwear, one for bras, one for sleepwear, one for socks maybe. I think sleepwear. I'll do underwear, bras, sleepwear. All done sorting through my clothes and arranging them. I love, 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 love the way that this looks without the doors on it. I just feel like it really brightens up and opens up the room. And of course, Jonathan was like, no, that's dumb. And then as soon as they were off, he was like, oh, that actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm actually going to be doing a separate video on the closet redo because I have more planned for the closet, but just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. I have determined that I have a lot of white tops, but I actually love wearing white, so that's fine. I don't have enough tops though. So from here to here, plus this, are the only tops that I have that I can like wear outside. I have a lot of bottoms, but I definitely need more tops. So having things arranged and out really helps me see exactly what I'm working with. On the other side of my closet is where I've kept my jackets, blazers, formal wear, and longer dresses, and then, you know, my wedding dress. Down here we have some tote bags. This is just like a really nice place to keep things that I don't wear every day, where over here is where I can keep the things that I will be reaching for on a more regular basis. So this stack of clothes are all the clothes that I sorted out. I'm pretty happy with my ability to let go of some things. I do have to figure out what to do with them now. Those clothes on the bed are the ones that I took out of the closet that are Jonathan's clothes that I now need to put in the other closet, but so far this cleared out a little bit of space and a little bit of weight, and I'm feeling much happier about the clothes that I actually have. All right guys, so I have a lot more folding to do. I'm so excited to do the closet makeover. Like, the idea I have in my head is just so good and I cannot wait to execute it. And now I have like an open, airier view of my clothes on a regular basis, so I can actually see what I got. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them down below in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.